some common questions that people ask me about my eraser collection. So a few days ago on Instagram, I asked you all to ask me questions about my eraser collection, and today I'm going to answer them. So let's start. So guys, the first question and the most commonly asked question is, when did you start the eraser collection and from how many years are you collecting? I've been collecting this eraser since I was around 12 or 13, I guess. And since then I'm collecting, so around 10-11 years. Like, that's a lot, but yeah, 10 and 11 years. Next question is, have you ever used any of them? So the answer is no. I have never tried to use any of the erasers because they are so pretty and I did not want to, spoil their design. The next question is, what had you sparked that you inculcated this hobby in you? Such a lovely hobby. Thank you so much. So I'm going to answer that question with my erasers in my hand. So I used to go for birthday parties and all, right? So whenever I used to get any return gift, as erasers, I would keep them and not use them. And slowly kind of I started buying also some erasers which I couldn't use, so I started keeping them at the side. And doing that then I thought, why not make an eraser collection? It's unique, right? So there was nothing that made me do it. It was just like I didn't like using the pretty cute designs of the erasers, so I just thought, why not start collecting them? See, how can you even use this one? So cute. Next question. OMG, such a huge collection. Is there anyone who has contributed to your collection? Yes, there are many relatives who have sent me, some cousins, also my friends have given me, and obviously my family, my mom, my dad, my sisters, my nephew, my brother-in-law, everyone has contributed to my erasers, like my main family, some of my relatives, some far off relatives as well. Alright guys, the next question is, how many of them have been lost or stolen? I can give you the guarantee that none of my erasers have ever been lost or stolen. I always take good care of them. Also, I never take them anywhere. I've just taken them out of the house 2 times, and in those 2 times I've been very careful. I've not left them alone for even a single second. So there is no way that they are stolen. Alright guys, I'll take the second box now. So people have been asking me this most common question, is that what's the count? Now seriously, frankly speaking, I also don't know. So approximately they are around 1000. That I can tell you, 1000. Next question is, how do you manage them and how do you keep them clean? So the thing is, I keep them in boxes. I have around 4 or 5 such boxes that I keep my erasers in. And yes, to clean them, I take them out and I lay them on the table and I keep it like that for one full night, so that they get kind of a little air and they stay separated from each other, otherwise they stick in the box. So yes, are there any disadvantages in having such a collection? So the main major disadvantage is that they kind of stick to each other if they are kept in a warm surrounding. So there are some of my erasers which have been stuck to each other, but then I release them, I separate them, and it's okay at that time, but they kind of lose their shape if they stick to each other. So I try not to keep them together. From where did you find all these erasers? Now I must have shopped in almost every stationery store that I've ever been to. Wherever I find a stationery store, I walk in and I ask them, do you have erasers? Fancy erasers? No, not Nataraj ones. Fancy erasers. And yes, like from stores, from online, everywhere. So guys, there are some erasers that I have found from different sites online, like this lollipop one. I found it at, I think, Alibaba something that site. One more question that I get with my erasers is that what will you do with so many erasers? The answer, even I cannot tell you, because I just like them and I buy them. So there is no fixed answer. So guys, I thought while we are at the subject of my erasers, why not show you some cute erasers that I have. So yes, let me start. Here I have a carrot eraser. Then I have a chappal eraser. It has the other chappal as well, but I cannot find it now. I mean for the other foot. Then here I have a school bag, and it has a handles also behind. So this one. I have this sparrow. Isn't he so cute? Next, my favorite animal, elephant. Then guys, I have this koala, and then this cute small baby who's holding a bottle in his hand. So guys, if you want to see my erasers detailed and more closely. I have made videos about my erasers separately, so I will put all in the description below, so make sure you go and check them out as well. Here were the most common questions that people asked me about my eraser collection. I hope I have cleared them all. If you still have any more questions, please do let me know in the comment section below and I will answer it. So guys, that's all I have for you in my today's video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you did not like this video, give it a dislike. And yes, please do subscribe to my channel to show me some support, and I will be back soon with some more fun videos. Bye.